Hey everybody, it's Miss A and I'm here with some extra practice video. Now this extra practice video is to help children with multi-response questioning. All right, so this is a multi-response question. Dan has 5 fish. He caught 13 more while fishing at the lake. How many fish does Dan have now? Choose all answers that have the same value as the total number of fish that Dan now has. So this one serves multiple purpose. It is a word problem, which is something the children will have to do, and that's about 60 to 80% of the test are word problems. They don't typically just give straight computation and say, here, solve it. So the children will have to solve using the word problem. Then they will need to solve the answer choices to see if the answer choices have the same value. All right, so again, this is multi-response. The children do need to solve it. They should be writing out their boxes, so we're practicing this. And eventually we will get away from this, so parents, please don't be worried and think I'm making your kids draw out these boxes all the time. We're just building our stamina up and keeping ourselves very organized. I have a lot of children that are really, really creative and really, really smart, but write all over the paper and then get completely lost. So I'm trying to work on our organizational skills and to make sure that we follow through with every part of this problem, because it is a multi-step problem in the fact that they have to solve here and then here, 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 and here. So we essentially took one math problem and really put 8 problems or 7 problems in there, and it is the way that the district has, not the district, the state has gone in order to evaluate children's knowledge of math computation and concepts. So these are for my answer choices to keep me organized. And then the students have room to do the work from the word problem. Now, the students should be circling what they know in the word problem if they have access to it. Circle what you know and underline what they're asking. So that way when they solve the initial word problem, they're not making a mistake. I will model this in this video, but in later videos I won't, because the children should actually be doing that. Now they're not going to have access to the word problem, and I don't expect them to write it. So what they should be doing is their know and asking chart, their T chart. Know and asking. And I ask them to write down the numbers here and to write down what math they think they're doing, and then here they have to write down what they're asking. So what do we know? Well, Dan has 5 fish. He got 13 more. And it says how many does he have in all, so I know that I'm adding. And then here it says how many fish in all. And so if I had access to it, I would circle, mark with a K, and underline. How many fish does he have in all? And I would mark that with an A. All right, thanks for watching, everybody.